Welcome back to Overheat 2026 Newmar Dutch Star, a blend of innovation, performance, and luxury. A stylish and useful exterior updated graphic design to give it a more modern and appealing appearance. Newmar regularly modifies the exterior color scheme and graphics each year. LED lighting, in addition to its aesthetic benefits, LED lighting is expected to become more widely used for energy efficiency and visibility. Convenient external features, it's likely that large storage spaces with central locking mechanisms and readily accessible utility connections will be kept or even improved. Comfortable and elegant interiors, premium materials, the use of pricey materials like solid hardwood, premium veneer for cabinets, or premium leather for furniture upholstery. Gourmet kitchens, high-end appliances such as a large refrigerator, maybe a domestic type, a convection microwave, an induction or gas cooktop with many burners, and sometimes a dishwasher are common in Dutch Star's kitchens. Comfortable bedrooms, a queen-size bed is probably going to be in the master bedroom. Integrated entertainment systems, multiple flat-screen TVs, and other cutting-edge entertainment systems will probably be included as standard. Ambient lighting, under-cabinet lighting, and other internal LED lighting are used. Excellent handling and performance, Cummins Diesel Engine, one of the standard. Cummins Diesel engines will probably have a range of horsepower options, offering sufficient torque and power to traverse a number of terrains. Allison Transmission, gear shifting is made efficient and seamless by the quick and silky Allison automatic transmission. Reliable braking system, strong. Secure stopping force is provided by an air braking system with disc brakes. Cutting-edge features and technology, both passive and active safety features include electronic stability control ESC, traction control, rearview and side cameras, and anti-lock braking system ABS.